Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'll show you how easy you can add widgets to the home screen. So at the first you have to click and hold home screen and then choose widgets. Next we can pick widget that we want to attach to the screen. So I'm going for digital clock. When you click and hold it, you have to click and hold, and after that you can attach to your screen. As you can see, here it is. When you tap on it once, you will open that widget. When you click and hold it and then drag like that around the screen, you are able to resize that widget. And you can also move it for another screen by clicking, holding and then dragging to the right side or the left side. If you want to remove, click, hold and then drag to the remove. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.